fucking stupid bitch. You can't turn here! It's a straight lane! You fucking dumb cunt. Oh, what did I just press? Save. Good. Stupid bitch.
What? Where?
You know the intersection of Croatia Avenue and Camden Valley Way, right? I'm coming from the Hoxton Park side. Now she's in front of me in the lane that goes straight across the Croatia Avenue with her blinker on to turn right.
Oh my god.
So if my light goes green before the turning light, I'm gonna start beeping at her again. She almost hit me when she merged across. And I can't tell if she stuck her finger up at me or if she put her hand up to say sorry. So, I don't know.
Does she look like a mean bitch?
She's probably fucking dumb. She looks like she's got a horrid forehead. All I can see is hair on the side of her head, nothing on the top. I can see what's going to happen. She's going to go as soon as the light turns green, and she's going to just merge in front of the next guy that's in that lane, in the turning lane.
Yeah, probably.
The truck next to me is revving his engine. Not a fucking turning lane, you dumb cunt. What are you doing? You fucking idiot. Jesus Christ.
You have to wash yourself with a Dettol's bar of soap.
Amanda, hello.
Morning!
Morning.
Morning, here we go.
P for parasite. Okay, here we go. Give me a cheese, a style of cheese.
A cheese? Oh god,
Okay then. I'll just fucking stop my day so you can do a fucking donut, you
You know how there's
donut.
cheddar, bad beers, and so what is it?
Yes, oh, look, we've run out of time. Fancy that.
sorry guys. I had a couple. And I had a space couple last night. Sucked. I still had the Parramatta and that sucked, especially the Parramatta one, because I had a Parramatta one.
Alright,
Anyway.
there's just been an accident in the tunnel.
Oh, which lane?
Just at the Princess Highway exit, some idiots cut in front of a truck and they've just smashed right into the back of them. And they came flying back across into the other lanes.
Well, that fucks it all up. I'm just jumping into the tunnel now.
Yep, you're gonna get stuck. I mean, there's one lane just at the exit of the Princess Highway. The stupid woman has come flying back across into the other two lanes and is now stopped in the left lane. So stick to the right if you can. And good luck.
I'm in the wrong.
Fuck's sake, mate.
In that house
Jamie, Luke,
Yes. Who is Maddie J dating?
Maddie J, like now,
Yeah.
the new Bondi.
Fucking dumbass.
Okay, who sings the song Set Fire to the Rain?
There's 3 lanes that goes from West Botany Street to Marsh Street.
Yep.
The cops are sitting in the left one at the exit for the tunnel, so everyone in that left lane needs to merge into the other 2.
Yeah, because they need to free up that lane so that the tunnel's got complete access out. That's what they've done. In some ways it's good, otherwise we'd never be getting out of the tunnel. So that was a good idea that they did that.
How do you plan on getting through here, you fucking moron? There's some idiot, he's pushed his way... Are you fucking kidding? If you fucking hit me, I swear to God. Fucking retard. He's pushed his way from the ramp to get into the tunnel. He's pushed his way across 3 lanes to get into the turning lane to go onto the freeway.